Sikhuluma nge-TV abantu baxaya ukuthi savele sasukela i-TV nje ngoba wonke umuntu uyasazi isigubhu esikhona ekhaya uyayazi flat screen uyayazi i-Curve TV anayo ukuthi what is so special about it. Cha babukeli sikhuluma ngawe ukuthi uma kuukuthi i-TV yakho uma ngabe ukuthi mbukeli nawe imlaleli i-TV yakho ayilungile ngamanye amazwi i-identity yakho izolimala ngoba uma sikhuluma nge-identity sikhuluma ngokuzazi lokhu ongesikho. Ukwazi lokho ongesikho kuzokuveza ukuthi wena ungubani. Kumele kube nezinto esizibuyekezayo njengabantu nanjengomphakathi. So masikhuluma nge-TV sikhuluma ngale term ethi telling a vision. So i-TV which is telling a vision esiyakhiwe yaze yaba ibhokisi esilibuka phambi kwethu insuku zonke amasonto onke abanye bethu they are so addicted with TVs like you cannot believe. But i-originality yakhona isuka kwi-original TV whereby i-character nesimilo nempilo nobunjalo bomuntu come from dokotela. Umuntu wakhiwe ekhaya, umuntu wakhiwa emndenini azalwa kuwona, lokho kuzomakha kumenza abe umuntu womphakathi ukuze aphumele ukuba kusasa abe umuntu wezwe ngaphambi kokuba abe umuntu womhlaba wonke. So now ngamanye amazwi bekunabantu bekunерole ebidlalwa manje sisesizukulwaneni esingazi ukuthi siyapi. Inkinga enkulu ukuthi asizazi ukuthi sikephi, but the bigger problem asizazi ukuthi sisuka. So ke now even singathi siyakuvezela ukuthi ungubani akuze lokhu akuzukwazi kulokho kwanele kukodwa uma ungazazi ukuthi ukephi njengamanje. Before but ukuzazi ukuthi ukephi njengamanje zazi phela ukuthi usuka. Lento ye-TV ithathwe yase isiyenziwa iba yinto evumeleka ukuthi lonke ulwazi lawo wonke umuntu nazo zonke izinto ezamukelekile ebese ube ngathi into yawo wonke umuntu. Ngamanye amazwi what we see on TV it is what has been received as the gospel truth edingwa yiwona wonke umuntu. Kanti kahle kahle thina asifani, we trying to be identified by the word of how we must be, and by doing that we lose much of us, of who actually we are.
It doesn't work.
And lento ayisebenzi and I know ngenxa yesikhathi ukuthi uma ngabe sizoyibuka for like instance i-affecteke kuma levels awu3 i-religion which is the belief, i-culture and bese kuba iminyaka which is spirituality, i-culture kanye neminyaka. So njengoba sesike sangena ukukhuluma kade sikhuluma ngo all season counts, it shows ukuthi what happened kubantu if ukuthi there were no channels. For instance ingane yase America, yase Australia, yase England at the age of 12 years isuke isinendlu yayo inekamera layo inezinto zayo she's got his own or rather his or her own PC, computer, cell phone, smartphone, even ukufunda she is in an academic types of college at the age of 12 shaping into azoba yona ngokwesport. We know ukuthi kulezi ikole zaphesheya by watching this box which is in front of us replace the actual TV ngoba mawubheka i-setup ye-dining room bekade kuhlalwa around this box. And before we used to sit around the fire facing ugogo, umkhulu, ikhefu, ubaba la ekhaya, indoda la ekhaya, families. That is how family is supposed to be, whereby sibuka abantu bala ekhaya besitshela ngezinto zethu. But that has been replaced by this box, by these smartphones, by Facebook, by Twitter, because mina kusamele ngiqale ngisize mina sinento ekuthiwa i-black tax whereby noma ngabe sekuthiwa ikhona impumelelo encane enginayo, but I still need to support my family, I still need to support my siblings, I still need to support my young brothers and sisters, of which in America leyo nto ayikho, in Europe leyo nto ayikho. So then i-success yami siphinde sibe nalezi zinto zethu esinazo esifakile which is amalobolo when it comes to relationship and marriage. Lento laba banayo. So now uyayibona le TV esibukayo nale TV esikuyona ukuthi these are two different TVs, and that's what sparks i-anger kubantu besilisa, because I'm trying so much ukukunikeza inwele, I'm trying so much ukukunika inzipho, I'm trying so much because ngizama ukukujabulisa.